Hi guys, ayan ang snow na sobrang kapal. Gabi na. Yes. Gabi na. At saka ayan mo yung kalsada. Grabe ang kapal po ng snow. Sobra. Nag-i-snow pa rin po. Yeah, nag-i-snow. Yeah, it's still snowing, right?
Mom.
Yeah. So doon, no, ang kalsada, yan. So, grabe ho, kakapal talaga. Tingnan mo naman yung sasakyan na yun. Na? Diba? Hanggang doon yan, guys. Pati yung sa pintuan namin. Yan. Grabe ang kapal. Sobra. Yeah, close the door. So, ayan o. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang kapal. Napaka kapal ko talaga. Close the window pala, nak. Yeah, window. Sorry. It's my fault. I keep saying door. Close your window, dali. Yan o, doon. Kahit yung school doon, kita nyo yun. Yung mga halaman doon. Ayan, yung mga halaman. Puro yellow na. And yung mga tree. Ayan yung mga puno. Ayan. Parang Christmas tree na rin. I'm vlogging. Close your window, my love.
Close the window, girl.
Yes, baby. Hmm? Accident?
Stop, man. Pickup truck stuck.
So, mga snow po yan, guys. Yan. Super kapal.
So I'm playing louder, right?
Oh, yan. Tingnan niyo naman dyan, oh. Yung snow dyan, oh. Yan. So, snowing pa, guys. Are you okay, my love? So, ayan. Grabe yung lakas ng snow po. Ang kapal, tsaka ang lakas po. Kasi itong snow na to is parang ulan din. So, malakas din talaga ang snow. Kaya, ayan. So, dito guys, pag may snow, parang nagliliwanag din po ang paligid. Para po kasi silang kristal. What happened? Police. Police agui. Slippery.
Yeah, he didn't bump with it, man. Oh, ice.
Yeah. Look, they're walking, oh. They're walking, oh.
Probably not. This is what we're driving now.
Hmm?
Sarah, probably not. This is what we're driving. Got feel like color.
Daddy?
Yes, my love.
Daddy?
Yeah.
What's that?
Snow, anak. Snow.
Tree, Daddy?
Yeah, Christmas tree. What happened?
Go wrong.
My God. Oh my God, guys. Kahit saan kaya pupunta ngayon. Makapalang snow. Ang daming aksidente. And
I got here, Mom.
yeah. And ang daming talagang sobrang sinara yung mga daanan kasi daming mga nagbabanggaan. Papa wants some, anak.
Oh.
Leave him.
That?
Ang daming nagbabanggaan, guys.
Thank you. What does she get
So
her from now,
ngayon.
huh?
No, because she remember the officer.
Johnny, Dad.
Johnny Dad.
Johnny.
Johnny Dad.
Dad.
Yeah.
So dapat enough daw.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I'm happy, Dad.
Hmm?
I'm happy.
she wanna help you. Funny.
I always want to help you.
I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm looking for the big ones first.
Oh.
Right here.
Okay.
Alright, good.
Good evening, everyone. Dito na kami sa bahay. And look, snow. Yan, nasya kami. Tsaka guys, nakakaloka ngayong araw. Ang daming mga aksidente. Ay, nandun pala yung gamit doon. Yung aksidente, ang dami. Ang dami guys. Kasi gawa sa snow. Tsaka tingnan nyo dito, hanggang tuhod ko na ho yan. Ang snow na yan. Tapos yung mga sasakyan. Ayan. Grabe. So agay. Yung snow dito guys. Pag bukas ko kanina ng pintuan. Agoy, ginoo ko. Hanggang tuhod agad guys. Ako dala-dala ko guys. Ako kasi guys. Pilipina talaga ako guys. Kaya sana ako magpunta. Hindi malibak. Kasi, ayan, dala-dala ko yan. Yung akong, ano dyan, kasi, yung anak ko, pag nasa loob ng sasakyan, pag tulog pa siya, kinakover ko sa kanya yan. Tsaka yung tablet ng anak ko, yung purse ko. Ginawa ko. Tugnaw guys, oy. Ginawa ko. Tugnaw mga kabisaya. Si Maria Santisama, yung aking asawa, nagsashovel. Gabing-gabi. Ayan. Tignan mo yung snow. Okay. My God. Kahit yung puno doon, ha?
Got a fruit plow this evening.
Ha?
No, I said, my man. We're working in the truck today.
Ah.
Go plow and go with mama, go plow too. Slow driving in the middle of the plow. I gotta pass it on.
Excuse me. Excuse me, my love. Yung aking anak ko dito. Sumakit ang aking ulo guys. Sa sobrang lamig. Yes, baby? Stay here, anak. Don't go. Don't go.
Clean up, Mom.
Ha?
Clean up.
Yeah, give me a second. Stay here, huh? You want tablet? Oh, no, just wear that because it's still cold. The door is open. It's still cold though. Here. Oh.
Mommy,
Later lang, later. Just watch off. I'll be right back. Ayan, snow. Dito na, kapal. Tsaka ang daming mga...
Paper cleaning.
Ha?
So paper clean, but those guys not cleaning.
Yeah, look. They don't have time also to clean their own...
No, I'm talking about them. Apartment people.
Ay, yeah. But look.
Those who they tractor down there.
Yeah. So, grabe ang kapal ng snow, guys. Yan.
It's a workout, you know that.
Yeah, but time na for workout. So, dito. Ayan, tingnan mo yung tree. Wala na, grabe. Ayan, I'm shaking na, guys, kasi sobrang lamig. Ikaw pa naman dito. Halos taga-bewang ko na. Halos taga-bewang ko na yung snow.
Yeah.
Stay there, anak. And then here. Bukas gagawa ako ng video niyan. Ha? Ha? No, it's cold. I don't want her to. Come on na, let's go inside na. That's enough na.
No, I'm not.
Let's go.
We don't want to do that tomorrow. Sorry, sweetheart.
Who's that Bobby?
Look, what you doing? Trying to get my workout, man.
Me too. Guys, yun ako. Grabe, kalamig-lamig. Ay, tira mga ito. Are you okay? Maraming maliit, ah. Anak! Anak! You okay?
Look, what's that?
You're cold! She felt cold! Gitog now! Dati may tree doon. Yung tree na yun, ay, napaliguan na. Okay, Diyos ko. Ngayon, lahat ng mga tao dito. Diyos ko, Maria Santisima. Ha? Ginoo. Agay, ginoo ka. Okay guys, yun lang ang update namin kasi kanang umaga bago kami umalis, grabe din. So, ngayon dumating na kami sa bahay. Ito na naman ang na namin. Hindi yan matutunaw guys. Nang ganyan na basta-basta. Ilang araw muna ho yan bago matunaw. Mga 3 days, 4 days. Dahan-dahan pa yan siya. Konti-konti pa yan. 1 week nandyan pa yan. Makikita pa yan dyan. Sus nako. Tapos uulan pa. Paano matatapos? Agad-agad eh. Hanggang ngayon, snow pa rin siya. Uulan pa rin po. Ayan. Kita nyo ho. Ayan. Umuulan pa rin po. Kaya, hindi ho yan basta-basta talagang mawala. Nag-crack na yung lips ko sa sobrang dry, guys. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayong lahat. Bye-bye.
Salamat, salamat, salamat.
I love you. I love you all. I love you all.
What am I going to tell them? I love them. I love you all.
Bye-bye. Mama.
Go inside. I'm not giving no mama or nothing.
Bye-bye. Your anak is dancing, oh.
That's for
Agay.
girls.
Slippery. Agay. That's for girls lang daw.
Girls say mama more.
Gusto naman.